Have you noticed that every week there's a new AI tool claiming it can make you money? One promises passive income. Another promises a fully automated business. And another claims it can replace entire teams of employees. The problem? Most of them are all hype. People spend hours signing up, watching tutorials, and chasing the next big thing, only to discover that the tool wasn't the opportunity. The opportunity was the skill behind it. Hey, I'm Liam, and today I'm going to save you a lot of time. I researched dozens of popular AI tools and narrowed them down to 5 that can genuinely help you become more productive, create better content, and potentially earn more money if you use them correctly. Now, before we start, let me make one thing clear. No AI tool will magically deposit money into your bank account. The people making money with AI aren't getting rich because of the software. They're making money because they're using the software to solve problems, create value, and work faster than everyone else. With that said, let's get started. Number 5, ChatGPT. You've probably heard of ChatGPT before. In fact, most people watching this video have likely used it at least once. But here's what most people get wrong. They treat it like a search engine. They ask a question, get an answer, then leave. That's not where the real value comes from. The real value comes from using ChatGPT as a business assistant. Imagine you're starting a side hustle. You need content ideas, marketing plans, sales copy, email sequences, customer support responses, social media captions. ChatGPT can help generate all of those within minutes. It doesn't replace your thinking. It accelerates it. The people winning with AI aren't avoiding work. They're removing repetitive tasks so they can focus on higher value activities. And that's why ChatGPT earns a spot on this list. Number 4, Canva AI. Canva has become much more than a simple design platform. Today, it's one of the easiest ways to create professional-looking content. Think about how many businesses need graphics every day. YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, advertisements, presentations, product mock-ups, marketing materials. The demand is endless, and that's where Canva becomes powerful. Its AI tools can generate designs, suggest layouts, create presentations, remove backgrounds, and speed up the entire creative process. A few years ago, creating professional designs required expensive software and years of experience. Today, almost anyone can learn the basics and start producing quality work. That creates opportunities. Whether you're a freelancer, content creator, or business owner, visual communication matters, and Canva helps you create it faster. Number 3, ElevenLabs. This is one of the most impressive AI voice tools available today. If you've watched faceless YouTube channels, educational videos, documentaries, or marketing videos, there's a good chance you've already heard voices generated by ElevenLabs. The quality is surprisingly realistic. What's interesting isn't the technology itself. It's what the technology allows people to do. Years ago, creating voiceovers required microphones, soundproof rooms, editing software, and lots of practice. Now, a single script can become professional narration in minutes. This lowers the barrier to entry dramatically. Someone with an idea can create content faster than ever before. Businesses can create training material. Creators can launch channels. Entrepreneurs can build marketing campaigns. Technology doesn't create success, but it removes friction. And reducing friction creates opportunity. Number 2, Claude. Claude is one of the most underrated AI tools available right now. Its biggest strength is handling large amounts of information. Think about how much information exists online. Research papers, business reports, books, articles, case studies. Learning something new can feel overwhelming. Claude helps simplify that process. It can analyze long documents, summarize information, organize ideas, and help identify important insights. This is especially useful for entrepreneurs and creators. The faster you can understand information, the faster you can make decisions. And better decisions often lead to better results. Most successful people aren't necessarily working harder. They're processing information more effectively. Claude helps with exactly that. Which brings us to number one. Number one, Perplexity. If I could only choose one AI research tool, this would probably be it. Why? Because research is one of the highest leverage skills in business. Most search engines give you a list of links. Then you spend the next 30 minutes opening tabs and looking for answers. Perplexity changes that process. It provides direct answers while also showing sources. That combination is incredibly useful. You can learn faster, research faster, and verify information faster. Whether you're creating content, starting a business, learning a skill, or making decisions, access to quality information matters. And the faster you can find that information, the more productive you become. Now, here's something important. Notice that none of these tools directly make money, not one. That's because tools don't create income. People create income. The tools simply help them do it more efficiently. Think about a camera. Owning a camera doesn't make someone a successful filmmaker. Owning a laptop doesn't automatically create a business. And using AI doesn't guarantee results. What matters is how you use the tool. The biggest mistake people make is constantly searching for shortcuts. They want a magic button, a secret method, an automated system that requires zero effort. But that's not how success works. The people earning money with AI are usually combining these tools with valuable skills. Writing, marketing, design, content creation, sales, research, problem solving. AI amplifies those skills. It doesn't replace them. And that's actually good news, because it means the opportunity is still available to anyone willing to learn. If you spend the next 6 months learning how to use AI tools effectively, you'll likely be far ahead of people who spend those same 6 months chasing shortcuts. Technology rewards action, not wishful thinking. So if you're serious about using AI, focus less on finding the perfect tool and more on becoming the type of person who can use tools effectively. Because that's where the real advantage comes from. The future belongs to people who learn quickly, adapt quickly, and execute quickly. And AI is becoming one of the most powerful productivity tools ever created. The question isn't whether AI will change the world. It's already happening. The real question is whether you'll use it to your advantage. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more content on AI tools, side hustles, making money online, and personal finance. I'm Liam, and I'll see you in the next video.